counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, and the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Iroquois, Kankakee, and Livingston. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA weather radio, KWest 039 Chicago. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homer Glen, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes,
4P, everyone.
roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park,
Here we go. Now they're
Calumet
gonna
City,
go on.
Chicago Heights, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Alsip, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Steger, South Holland, Country Club Hills, South Deering, Midlothian, and Hazel Crest. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Are you able to see that foam cloud or tornado anymore?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hammond, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Merrillville, East Chicago, Hobart, Highland, Munster, Griffith, and Lake Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Focus on today, guys. I want to show you this real quick.
Whoa. That scared me.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern White County in northwestern Indiana, western Fulton County, Indiana, southeastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, Cass County, Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Royal Center, or 9 miles west of Logansport, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated.
Fast thunderstorm, bro.
Impact: expect damage
They
to roofs,
corrected it?
siding, and trees. Locations
Oh, it's actually
impacted
torpedo.
include Logansport, Peru, Rochester, Monticello, Royal Center, Mexico, Kewanna, Denver, Burnettsville, Fulton, Macy, Climbers, Neva Lake, Lisa's Corner, Deepsville, Indiana Beach, Hoover, Idabel, Sitka, and Star City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Miami, and Pulaski. City, Nema Lake, New Waverly,
Alright, guys.
Deepsville, 12 miles.
Serial thunderstorm
Hoover.
coming. There it is.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, northern Wabash County, Indiana, west central Noble County in northeastern Indiana, western Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, central Fulton County, Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northeastern Cass County, Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, southeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Rochester to near Mexico, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs,
It's 4P
siding,
as well,
and
so
trees.
theoretically good.
Locations impacted include Warsaw, Peru, Rochester, North Manchester, Winona Lake, Syracuse, South Whitley, Milford, Akron, North Webster, Pierceton, Mentone, Mexico, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Silver Lake, Etna Green, Leesburg, Erie, and Cromwell. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Fulton, Huntington, Kosciuszko, Marshall, Miami, Noble, Wabash, and Whitley. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY62 in LaPorte. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX.